Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dance
Again?
Another JUTC bus dey on fire again in less than a week. What going on in the garage there? You mean like what going on over the JUTC mechanic shop there? You see, you know people have a thing to say that them bus they easily overheat and catch fire, especially in the summer and them thing there some of the time. You see me, but we don't really have no proof of that. You see. Anyways, people, the JUTC bus catch on fire since night in a Half Tree Square, right around the Clock Tower Plaza. You see, and that what going on. You know, me don't know, so I go keep on informed for me to see everything what going on. You see, so really and truly, people, I want to make sure say you keep focus because you see say something are going on with them bus there really and truly. You see me, we not condemn the whole system, but you know, a one life we have. You see. Anyways, traffics are divert right now and all these things. About, well, I say right now, about this happened like about maybe an hour or two ago. You see me about 8 o'clock or so, you see. But since night it happened in Half Tree, you see. But you don't know still. Anyways, Dancehall Skilla keeping up to date. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. And my name is Skilla and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Big up on yourself, you see it.